Welcome to this month's Ingredient Spotlight. I'm Dr. Vanessa, and today we will talk about two botanicals that help to curb appetite and support weight loss goals. Now, according to the CDC, nearly half of the US population is trying to lose weight. And the struggle includes not just trying to lose the weight, but keeping it off as well. Even a 5% weight loss is associated with improved health. So the solution may be found in an herbal combination of lemon verbena and hibiscus flower. Lemon verbena is known for its lemony aroma and flavor, and hibiscus flower is known for making that bright red herbal tea. And both plants are rich in polyphenols that help to promote weight loss without unwanted side effects. Both plants together help to modulate hunger signals. Ghrelin is the signal that triggers hunger. And glucagon-like peptide 1, or GLP-1, is the signal that you're full, which is known as satiety. In addition, both lemon verbena and hibiscus can help to burn fat by promoting AMPK activity in fat cells. So here's how it works. When you start a diet to induce a calorie deficit to lose weight, doing so with calorie restriction alone can increase hunger signals by promoting more ghrelin and decreasing GLP-1. This can make it difficult to support those long-term weight loss goals. But by adding lemon verbena and hibiscus, we can curb the appetite and increase satiety by helping to balance ghrelin and increase GLP-1. This gives the body a better chance at hitting those long-term weight loss goals. In a randomized, controlled clinical study, 47 overweight women between the ages of 30 and 75 took 500 milligrams of the lemon verbena and hibiscus combination or placebo 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast every day. Now, the researchers had everyone in the study follow a 2,200 calorie per day diet and requested that the participants walk every day for 30 minutes. And after 8 weeks, the lemon verbena hibiscus group lost an average of 7.7 pounds, which is a 5% weight loss, compared to the placebo group, who lost an average of 4.6 pounds, or a 3% loss. The lemon verbena hibiscus group also reported a 56% decrease in hunger and reported increased feelings of satiety. So adding this combination of lemon verbena and hibiscus flower may be a great addition to a healthy diet and exercise program to support your long-term weight loss goals. I'm Dr. Vanessa for Life Extension. Thank you for listening.